Vishnu Sahasranama, the most efficient and the most simplest form of Lord's names. Actually, Bhishma recited this throughout his life. We got this secret at his deathbed. So, reciting and listening both are equally beneficial. We can listen to Vishnu Sahasranama at any time. We can recite Vishnu Sahasranama at any time. Actually, we don't need anything else. You can just chant, that's it. Even without knowing the meaning, it will give you tremendous pleasure and the positive energy. Actually, Vishnu Sahasranama, it's not about the 1,000 names of Lord Sriman Narayana. It's all about the 1,000 forms of Sriman Narayana. That is what Bhishma has experienced. We too can experience the same kind of 1,000 forms of Lord in our daily life. Yes, we can. That's what the Palastuti is saying. Ya idham shunuyat nityam yaschapi parikirtayet na shubham prapnuyat kinchit somutreha chamanavah. He who hears or sings it all without fail in all days of the year will never get into bad in this life and after. So, we have been proceeding toward the goodness by chanting, by listening to Vishnu Sahasranama. Because we need positive energy. The world is surrounded by the positive energy. Each and every object is giving us a positive energy. Actually, now only technology try to get all sorts of energy like solar energy, wind energy, then water turbine energy. Many things we are now learning it and we are extracting energy from all forms of natural elements. Actually, each and everything in this world is filled with Lord's energy. This is what Vishnu Sahasranama gives us. Visvam Vishnu Vashakaraha. See, each and every nama just giving you the opportunity to receive the positive energy from all sorts of the materials, the living beings, the non-living beings, the 5 elements of the world, everything. You are getting energy from the universe. So you are becoming a magnet and you are exactly usefully and receiving all kind of energy. You are attracting all kind of positive energy from each and everything in this world. Each and every source of your life, you are receiving the positive energy. So just listen to it. Calmly sit in a place when you feel tension, when you feel dejected or when you feel relaxed, just listen to Vishnu Sahasranama. Ya idham shunuyat nityam. Just listen. Yaschapi parikirtayet na ashubham prapnuyat kinchit. So, even a small problem won't reach you. Actually, each and every day people are talking about the problems. Each and every day people are talking about the tension. And each and every day people are talking about the negative things. Okay? The world media is very much interested in supplying you the negative things of the world. Actually, negative things are happening only 1%. The remaining 99% is all about the positive energy. Okay, even in negative things, there is a positive message. There is a positive energy. So by chanting or by listening to Vishnu Sahasranama, we are acquiring knowledge about the Lord. See, the Lord is everywhere, omnipotent, omnipresent, right? Stambhena drishyate, this is what Prahalada has told. So listen to Vishnu Sahasranama. So when you are reciting with a loud voice, you are listening to the same nama through your ears. So just recite and listen. Ya idam shunuyat nityam. The easiest one is listening. That's what Prahlada has told in Bhagavata. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnoho Smaranam. Oh my God, sorry. This is what he is telling. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnoho Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Vandhanam Dhasyam Sakhyam Atma Niyedhanam. So by Shravanam, by listening to Lord's names, automatically you are proceeding towards Atma Nivedana. This is what Gopika Stri had done. This is what has been told by great Alvars and Nayanmars. So by listening to his names, in Nayanmar Padikam they have told, Avan Arulale Avan Tal Vanangi. Because of his grace, we are reaching his lotus feet. So, by listening to Vishnu Sahasranama, unknowingly, we are stepping towards his lotus feet. We are nearing his lotus feet and we are getting all kind of goodness from him, because there is no negative energy with the Lord. He is full of positive energy. 100% positivity. This is called Lord. So, by Yayidham Shuniyat Nityam Yaschapi Parikirtaye Na Shubham Prapnuyat Kinchit So Mutre Hachamanavah. So during this life or life after death, you won't get any unwanted things in your life by listening to Vishnu Sahasra Nama. By non-stop chanting, by non-stop listening, you can see the whole world as Krishna himself, just like Vishwarupa Darshana Arjuna had seen, right? Same way you can enjoy Krishna in the world universe. Like Bharati has told, Kakkai Cheraginile Nandalala Nindan Kariyaniram Thondadaye Nandalala. Parkum Marangalella Nandalala Nindan Pacheniram Thondadaye Nandalala. Ketkum Uligalella Nandalala Nindan Geetam Isekudada Nandalala. தீக்குள் விரலை வைத்தால் நந்தலாலா நின்னை தீண்டும் இன்பம் தோன்றுதையே நந்தலாலா. So, each and every sound respects Bhagavan Krishna. Each and every word, each and every action moving towards to Lord Krishna. So, all words, all symbols, all sounds leads to Sriman Narayana. This is what the Vishnu Sahasranama is giving us. Ya idam shuniyat nityam yaschapi parikirtayet na shupam prapnuyet kinchit so mutreha chamanavaga. So we won't get any kind of, even a small amount of bad, nothing. We will just enjoy the real happiness throughout the life in food, in water, in dressing, in talking, in listening. So there are so many positive energy around us. So you are attracting positive energy through Vishnu Sahasra Nama. So it's very simple. It's just like a small kid saying, Amma, 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 Appa, 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 Tata, I need this, please, 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 sorry, sorry, sorry. Same way you are chanting Visvam, Vishnuhu, Vashatkaraga, Beshajam, Bhikshak, Ajitaha. See, each and every Nama gives you the energy which you need to live in this life, which gives you the peace, which gives you the enormous amount of energy to face the situations, to win the situations, to accept the situations, to live with the situations. So it's really simply a kindergarten technique to live happily. We need kindergarten technique, right? So Vishnu Sahasranama makes us as a kids, training us to be a kid and to have the unconditional faith with the Lord. So by chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, Vedantako Brahmana Hasyad Kshatriyo Vijayi Bhaved Vaishodhana Samriddha Hasyad Shodra Sukhamavapnuyat. Actually, by chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, those who need knowledge, they will get knowledge. Those who want the victory, they will get the victory. Those who need wealth, they will get the wealth. Those who need pleasures, they will get this. It doesn't mean Brahmana will get knowledge, Kshatriya will get victory. The meaning is, those who want to acquire the knowledge, by chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, they can acquire good Brahmanyam. Okay? The people who want the victorious thing, they will get through this Vishnu Sahasranama. Those who want to acquire the wealth, by chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, they can acquire all kind of wealth, like energy, like arogya, like shanti. Everything is a wealth, right? Those who want pleasures, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So all kind of these things you will receive through Vishnu Sahasranama. Dharmarti prapnuya dharmah artharti charta artharti cha artham apnuya. Kaman avapnuyat kami prajarti cha apnuyat prajaha. Those who want dharma, they will get dharma. Those who want wealth, they can get wealth. Those who want pleasures, they will get the pleasures. Those who want the prajas, the even issueless people can get issues. So without fail, surely the Vishnu Sahasranama will give whatever the need of your life. It's not at all, it's not giving you the worldly pleasures. It's giving you the soul's pleasure. When the soul is happy, when the soul is receiving everything, automatically the body will get whatever it needs. Okay? So enjoy the Vishnu Sahasranama. I don't want to take much of your time. So really happy, the Vishwas is, they are having the Vishwas. That's why they are able to do this in a massive way with the blessings of Lord Sriman Narayana, and everyone gives their soulful efforts to make this a great thing. I'm really happy to be the part of this. Actually, because this is the second time I am giving my happiness. Actually, I'm sharing my happiness with you people, giving my little knowledge about the Vishnu Sahasranama with you people. So let's enjoy the Vishnu Sahasranama whenever, wherever, however, and receive positive energy. Let's go ahead with the positive energy. That's what we need. Actually, during this COVID-19, I was giving us during this COVID-19, we are able to get so many great things in our life. It's a God-given opportunity. The Swas is doing it in a great way. So I bless you all to enjoy Sriman Narayana in every form. Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. Jai Sriman Narayana. Namah Parvati Pate Har Har. Radhe Krishna. Yeah, please. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Yeah, whenever you need, I will be there for you. Yeah. Radhe Krishna.